Good morning, dear students. In continuation with the tense that we are studying, today we are in the 5th class. That's about simple past tense. About present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. Together I'll take one class. So we already finished simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and now we are going into simple past. Okay. The sentence structure is subject plus V2 form of the verb plus object. Subject plus V2 form of the verb plus object. V2, when we studied about forms of verbs, we saw it is used in a simple past tense. So you have an example here. I went to the shop. I went to the shop. Subject went, verb, this is V2 and object. Okay, I went to the shop. One thing you should keep here in mind is that we have to use only V2 form of the verb in simple past tense. And this form, I told you when I was teaching about the forms of verbs, we should know by heart. If it is not known, it is very difficult to use or make a sentences using a particular verb in past tense. Okay, that you should know. We saw when we studied about the conjugation of verbs, there are different verbs forming its past tense in different ways. Okay, so that is what creates a problem for us. If every verb had the same way of making its past tense, it was easy for us. But now it is not the way. We have some forms and some verbs which makes it past tense by using ed at the end, d or ed. Some no, they change their verb completely. The present, eat, ate, come, came, and things like that. Some they remain as it is, cut, put, and all that we saw as it is. So like this V2 form of the verb we must know. Then only we will be able to make a correct sentence in simple past tense. Next is the negative form. As we saw in the other places also, we have to add a not. Okay, here it is subject did. Okay, and not and then V1. Not this V1. Okay, so this will be I did not go. V1 form is this to the shop. I did not go to the shop. Subject did not V1 verb object. Subject did not V1 verb object. Okay, that's how you have this negative sentences formed. Next one is question. Did subject V1 object question mark. Did I go to the shop? Question mark. Okay. Did subject V1 object. This is how a question is formed in simple past tense. Is that clear? This is how a question is formed in a simple past tense. Alright? So, is there any doubts regarding this? The sentence structure is subject, V2 form of the verb, object. The negative structure is subject, did not, V1 verb, object. The question form, did, subject, V1, object. I suppose that is clear to you. Now next is the usages. Usages is basically, there are different ways of explanation given in different textbooks, but it all amounts to or comes to what is called to talk about a completed action. Maybe individually a completed action, or an action that was taking place over a period of time, okay, or some habits that was there. When we were children, we went for a swim in the river. Fine, that was about a habit that when we were children, not now. Now not even a river nearby to go for swimming. Those days when I was a child, there was river near to my house, so we used to do that. Okay, so these types of various explanations you will find in various textbooks, but all that if you codify, bring it together, what you will see that to talk about a completed action, we use simple past tense. Any action completed any time in the past. It can be 1 hour ago, it can be 1 day before, it can be say 1 month back, or 10 years back, or 100 years back. Okay, or talking about an action like I studied in some particular school from this year to that year. Okay, imagine that a student who is going out of our school says, I studied in this school from my 5th standard to 10th standard. Okay, so like that, basically this is what we use simple past tense to talk about an action that was completed any time in the past. It can be completed now, it can be completed over a period of time, it can be it can be something that happened as a habit some years back. Okay, all those things taken into consideration, we can shorten or bring it to one point the usage of simple past tense to talk about actions that were over or completed in the past. Is that clear? Yes, let me explain to you once again. Simple past tense. Okay, one of the 4 past tenses. Fine. The sentence structure is subject, V2, object. That is what is the sentence structure. So I subject, when V2, shop object. A simple format. I went to the shop. Now, if you want to make a negative sentence, there are people I not went, sir. I not heard, sir. Or we not played, sir. That is the wrong usage. Okay. To make a negative sentence in simple past tense, we have to have this did not usage. Okay, so subject, did, not, V1, object. So you can say, I did not go to the shop. I did not go to the shop. Then the next is the question form. Okay, I told you in the beginning, while making questions, one part of the verb comes before the subject. So here we have, as you know, did plus V1 is what is V2. So the did is before the subject, then V1. Okay, after did, we use only V1. When we studied about simple present tense also we saw, after do or does, we use only V1 from the verb determined and object and question mark. So you have, did I go to the shop and question mark. Okay, that's how the sentence structures of statement sentence in simple past tense, negative sentence in simple past tense, and question sentence in simple past tense is constructed, is made. Now we have the usages. I told you in different books you might find different usages, but put together all that we can